So this trail, I believe, is called the Candy Mountain Rail Trail. This whole trail was once a railroad track. We are in Marysvale, Utah, ATV riding, side-by-sides, 2-seaters, 4-seaters. We're in the middle of the mountains right now, taking a little break, testing out the Osmo Pocket 3. I got it on the tracking. This is going to be a 4-hour ride. We tested out the Tilta Alien Hydra Mini with the Osmo Pocket 3. And there's a lot of dust, but we got some good shots.